In this problem, a ball of mass 1 kg, now this is a ball of mass 1 kg, is attached to one end of a 1 meter long rod. Length of this rod is 1 meter. Massless string and other end of the string is hung from a point. Right? When the resulting pendulum is 30 degree from the vertical, what is the magnitude of torque about the point of suspension? That is about this point. Now take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. So I would like to explain the problem. Now this weight of 1 kg is being suspended from this point and length of this is 1 meter. So what is the torque? Now F is equal to, this is the force, F is equal to mg, that is 1 into g, and now this is the line of action of force, this is the line of action of force, and what will be perpendicular distance? Suppose अगर यहाँ से हम ये करें, so this angle is 30 degree, this angle will also be 30 degree, so this will be, now this will be the perpendicular distance. So this is a very simple problem. What is the torque? This torque will be equal to force into perpendicular distance. Now this is the force into perpendicular distance we can say, and the force is 1 kg mass, that is 1 into 10, that is 10 Newton, and perpendicular distance is, this is 1 meter, and ये क्या हो जाएगा इसका 1 sin 30 degree, so this will be 1 into sin 30 degree, right? So this will be equal to 10 into 1 by 2, 5, so this will be equal to 5 Newton, right? This will be the answer.